Are you planning to move this year? With so few homes available to buy right now, it's important to consider all your options. Let's take a look at the pros and cons of building a new home versus buying one that already exists. Building a new home allows you to choose the features you like the most. It's customizable and everything is brand new. Plus, new homes usually come with warranties and greater energy efficiency, both of which can help you save money in the long run. On the other hand, homes that have been lived in offer a wider variety of styles and floor plans. They also allow you to join an established neighborhood. Plus, you can usually move faster without waiting for a new house to be built. There's a lot to consider. That's why it's so important to work with an expert advisor to weigh all of your options in today's market. So if you're thinking about your next home, let's get together and talk about what's available in your area. Thank you so much for watching. This is Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at eXp Realty.